What up, Sacred family? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this super easy grunge effect inside Premiere Pro. It's gonna be a quick video today. With that being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. We're dropping tutorials every single day this month. Hit that like button so YouTube can continue to push my videos out. With that being said, let's hop into Premiere Pro. Alright guys, this will be the clip we'll be working on today. Wanna go to effects and presets and search up noise. Go to noise and grain. Go ahead and throw noise on your clip. Next effect we wanna throw on top is threshold. Go ahead and throw that on. As you can see, we already have a pretty cool look just by throwing threshold on. We want to change that amount of noise to 60. You guys can obviously play around with it to your liking. You guys go up to 100, you see a lot of noise. As we go down, I like 60. 60 is a calm look. And when we play back, as you can see, we're already starting to get like that opium type look. This effect usually works, guys, if your artist is wearing dark colors like black. If you're in a dark setting, it'll probably look the best. Like right here, the sun wasn't out, so it looks pretty clean already. Another effect that we could throw on top is mosaic. Go ahead and throw it on. And we want to bring the horizontal blocks to about 300 and the vertical blocks to 300 as well. And that gives it like that camcorder type effect. If you guys want to give it that camcorder type effect, you could obviously go camcorder overlay on YouTube. You guys could download one of these. This one right here looks pretty cool to put on top. You could do the VHS look as well. But yeah, you guys could obviously get that off of YouTube for free. I'm not gonna add it on, but if you guys want to, just go on YouTube, camcorder overlay, download it, and you can throw it on top of the clip. But it'll look fire on a clip like this. Another effect that we could throw on top as well, guys, is VR digital glitch. And as you guys can see, that gives it that glitch type effect, pretty fire. That's just me messing around with all these free effects inside Premiere Pro, guys. It's giving this pretty fire opium glitch type of look. And if you guys mess around with the order of the effects, you guys can see we'll get a different look every time. Me messing around with the order of it. We're gonna leave the order like that. And when we play it back, we have something like this. Pretty fire. That was the end of the tutorial, guys. A very quick one for you guys. Dropping tutorials every single day this month. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. You don't want to miss out on the sauce I'm dropping. Hit that like button. If you haven't hit it yet, you're not paying me a single dime. Just help support the channel. Come on, guys. That being said, catch you on the next one. Peace.